My name is Sean over at Jaguar PowerSports located here in Jacksonville, Florida. Let me ask you a question. It's a new year. Are you looking for an ATV, a scooter, a dirt bike, a go-kart, and every single person has told you no when you went to get financed? Well, we want to tell you yes here at Jaguar PowerSports. We are located here in Jacksonville and we have the best financing in the country. No matter if you have good credit, bad credit, or no credit at all, we have a financing company for you. We are the #1 dealership in the state and one of the top 5 dealerships in the country for the subprime market. No matter if you have bankruptcies, foreclosures, past blemishes on your credit, no matter what your issue is, we can get you financed. We have kid units, ATVs for adults. No matter what you're looking for, we want a chance to earn your business. By clicking below, 30 seconds of your time, we can get you instantly approved. Very little down payment, if any, and we have units for all ages. Click below, get instantly approved, and ride the bike of your dreams. We have dirt bikes, we have scooters, we have ATVs, UTVs, you name it, we have it. You can see some of the models behind us, but I want you to stop what you're doing and click below and get instantly approved. The whole process can be done online and within 30 seconds. That's right, if you're from Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, no matter where you're from, we can get you completely approved and funded completely over the internet and over the phone. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 904-693-1663, and I'm going to show you some of the units that we have in stock. With our proprietary financing, down payments are as low as $85. It's a new year, so we want to save you as much money as possible. 90 days, no interest plans are available, 12-month to 36-month plans available with still as little as $80 down. We have scooters and dirt bikes of all makes and models. Our scooters, 80 to 110 miles per gallon. Street legal, they can be used on the roads. You can ride them to school. No matter what you're looking for, our scooters are the best quality with a full 2-year warranty, and you also get 80 to 110 miles per gallon. Think about that for a second, how much money you can save. Our dirt bikes, we have things from 70 cc's with training wheels for kids all the way to a 250 cc for adults. Our units are the top quality and brands in the country and the lowest cost. We guarantee that we will beat all prices, and we guarantee we have the lowest prices. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit the website below at www.jaguarpowersports.com. If you have not clicked already, I want you to click now below and send us your application. 30 seconds of your time, we can get you approved. We do ship nationwide, but if you do want to come to Jacksonville, we can get the unit for you very, very easy. We are one of the top dealerships in the country. Inc. 5000 awards, Inc. 5000 top dealer awards. We are one of the top dealers in the nation, and there's a reason. We have the best products, the best customer support, and we are here to service you. It's a new year. Happy New Year. If you have any questions, let us know. 904-693-1663. But no matter if you're looking for a scooter, ATV, dirt bike, I want you to call us now. Happy New Year. Have a good day.